Hi guys, my last video was quite chaotic. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It's one for the books, but today's video is a little different. If I'm ever scrolling my phone on Sundays on TikTok, all I am seeing is the Sunday reset videos. If you know, you know. So today I have taken it upon myself to embody all of that for the ultimate reset, and you guys are coming along with me. I got a little head start yesterday because I went to the chiropractor where they literally align your body. Apparently something was like out of place in my back, so that got fixed. I also did a bunch of laundry that I had let pile up for so long. It was ridiculous, but it's done, thank God, and I'll be doing more later today. And I went to church last night with my family, so that was a little spiritual reset. I don't want to neglect that because it is a big part of my life, but we got a lot more on the agenda, so buckle up. Step one is to work out. I'm gonna go to the gym and go for a run, do a little upper body stuff. I'm usually a wimp about recording myself in the gym because I don't want to be like awkward or embarrassing, or I don't want to make anyone else uncomfortable, but I'm gonna set up my phone and wide angle it so I can show my workout, or at least a little montage of my workout. It's already 11:34, so I'm not getting an early start to the day by any means, but that's okay. I just need to start moving because I have no time to waste. I have a lot on the agenda. Also, I was gonna go get my nail fixed because it chipped off and it hasn't even been a week, but I'm just gonna wait because I want to get all of this stuff done first. It's really gloomy outside, which I love. Makes it feel like fall, and I need to get going. Here's my outfit. This is from Target. It's old though. My pants are Lululemon and bra is Lululemon, and I'm gonna wear these shoes that are really dirty, but that's another thing on the agenda for later, is to clean my shoes, but I'm gonna wear these. I put on my shoes and took the sheets off my bed and stuck those in the washer so they could cycle through while I was working out, and got water. What else is next? I'm like waiting for the clip to show up. Oh, and then I ate a blackberry and I was on my way. Okay, workout is complete. I feel so much better. I'm glad I went. Step one, check. Step two is to go to Trader Joe's. This is not a must, but it's just something that I want to do because I want to put flowers in my room after I clean it. And my mom is making this tortilla soup thing for dinner, so I have to get some things for her. And I want to get some of the pumpkin things. Also, my excuse for going to Trader Joe's is because the meal prep place I'm picking up my other food from is really close to it. I'm sweating. And it's not very hot outside, it's just because I was sweating in the gym, but when I turn on the air, you can barely hear what I'm saying. Speaking of this whole meal prep thing, my friend Macy recommended this place to me. When you get to customize what you want, they have some breakfast things, and I just wanted to try it out because I'm always so hungry after school, and I always spend way more money than I need to buying food from Chick-fil-A or Chipotle or somewhere that's like fast food-ish. And I want to try to eat healthier and save money, so I ordered 2 of the meals. One's ground turkey and one's chicken, and who knows if I'll keep doing this. This might be the only week I do this, but I just want to try it out for fun to see if it helps me, and if I do really like it, I'll probably make my own or whatever. I don't know. I'm just experimenting. And I also got an orange creamsicle protein smoothie because I do not eat breakfast these days, which is a major issue. It makes me hungrier after school and I just lose energy throughout the day, so I need to start eating breakfast. I'm getting up for cheer practice at 5 something and I'm just not hungry at 5 in the morning, so I feel like I would do better drinking smoothies or something that's not like so much eating something, because I'm literally nauseous if I eat at 5 in the morning. Anyway, you're coming along for the journey. Trader Joe's, meal prep place, back home, and then we'll be on to the next step. Okay, we're back. The Joe today was poppin'. There was a million people there, but it was a successful shop. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Also, this orange smoothie thing, I don't know why I thought they were gonna give me like frozen fruit. For some reason, I expected to be able to blend this into the smoothie myself, but it was like they make you the smoothie. Anyway, it worked out because I haven't had lunch and this could tide me over. Here's what I got. Pretzels, because Allie likes them. If you're new, by the way, Allie is my twin sister, for context. Teriyaki seaweed, pumpkin bagels, a whole bunch of Go macro bars. This is the best flavor. Smooth Sanctuary. Guac, because I'm a guacamole girly now. I'm an avocado girly now. I used to hate it, but I wanted to like it really bad so I could have guac and enjoy it. It was like an acquired taste for me. The more I ate it, the more I liked it. So got some guac. Apple rings, these are the best snack. Raspberries, ravioli. These, the chocolate, dark chocolate sunflower seed buttercups. They're so good. I got these one time in the checkout because I just wanted something sweet, and I was like, oh, I didn't realize they were sunflower seed butter. They're probably not gonna be good. I just thought they were dark chocolate. I don't know how I didn't realize that though. It's very clear on the packaging, but I was pleasantly surprised. They are literally insane. I'm gonna eat one. I'm obsessed. And speaking of chocolate, also the dark chocolate peanut butter cups are insane, especially if you refrigerate them. Cookie mix, I might make these later. Oat milk, and my dad wanted cottage cheese. And the flowers, I'm gonna put these in a vase and put them upstairs after I put these away. Yay. I almost forgot. So I'm excited to try these. I got this one with the chicken, sweet potato, and asparagus. I didn't know what sauce to get, so I just got barbecue. I'm upstairs. I just switched my sheets, the clean ones, into the washer or the dryer, and I put a new load of laundry in the washer. And the next step in this resetting journey is to clean. I'm gonna clean my room, vacuum it, put the sheets back on my bed, clean my bathroom, put all my things away, clean my shower, because that just, you know, when you lose hair in the shower, that always happens to me when I wash it. My shower's just looking gross. So I'm gonna scrub that, clean my white shoes too that I was talking about earlier, and fold the laundry that's in the washer right now once that's all done, and get everything set out for tomorrow because I have cheer practice tomorrow morning, so I have to set out my clothes for that and for the school day. This cleaning category is very broad, but you get the gist. Before I start, I want to show you guys what I got thrifting yesterday. I went with my mom and I found a lot of good stuff. There's 3 things I didn't get that I was on the fence about just because I feel like I wouldn't have worn them. I was only getting them just because they were so inexpensive, but I want to show you what I did get. First thing are these jeans from Zara. They fit me so well. I need to wash all this stuff too. I'm waiting to do a separate load of all this because I want to wash it really well because these used to be somebody else's clothes. I got these for $12. Second thing is this bra. It looks a lot like the one I have on now. It's just a different style, but I couldn't pass it up because it was 20 bucks from Lululemon, and it's in really good condition. The next thing I got is this Eagles shirt. It says Hotel California. I got this for $8. This is the back. It says Eagles Dodger Stadium 2017, whatever. This is probably men's, but it says it's a size small. Alexa, play Hotel California. The next thing I got is this leather jacket for my Halloween costume. You probably won't be able to guess what I'm being based on the jacket because it doesn't even really match what the actual thing wears or person wears. But I got this. I don't know how much this was. 14 bucks, and it's like brand new. So stay tuned for Halloween. I'm doing, if this helps, a little hint. It's a couple's costume. I'm wearing that jacket, and I got this skirt, which I wouldn't pick out. Like, I don't see myself wearing this anytime soon, but it was $1.25 or $1.50 because all the red tag things were half off, and it fit me perfectly, so I felt like I had to get it because it was literally $1. And that's all for the thrift haul. I don't really go thrifting ever, but this experience was a success. I need to get sheets on this bed and get to cleaning. I don't know what time. It's like 3 something right now. Let's do it. I'll probably start with the shoes. I just did some TikTok research, and these apparently I can wash in the washer. I need to take the laces out though. With these ones, I'm just gonna scrub them and use this shoe whitening thing that I have. The reason I can't do that on these is because they're cloth almost. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try out this whole washer situation. I can't put these in the washer yet because my mom has informed me that she's doing a load of laundry. So we'll wait on these for now, but speak the devil. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm gonna do the white sneaker thing on these ones. At this point, I went downstairs and ate dinner with my family, took a little break from the cleaning, and my mom made this really yummy soup. Okay, the cleaning is done. I just put this stuff in my hair. I probably should have filmed it, but I put it in my roots and I've been like massaging it in before I wash it out. But the next step of the reset before I do all my self-care, face mask, hair wash thing is to get some work done. I probably only have about like 45 minutes of work to do. It's not that much. I have to study for a quiz tomorrow, respond to a couple emails, and finish and submit this presentation for my Bible class. I also have English homework I could do, but I don't really want to do that because it's not due tomorrow. It's due the next day, so I'll just do it tomorrow. Allie, do you want to bake cookies with me later? What? Do you want to bake cookies with me later? In like an hour-ish? Yay. They're pumpkin chocolate chip. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff done and I will talk to you guys in probably like a half hour, a little more than that. For my shower. Okay, update. I'm feeling like a glazed donut. I did a face mask. I'm on FaceTime with Matt and I can't take myself seriously because I know he's watching me and I know he's like itching to make fun of me. I did a face mask from Trader Joe's. It was one of those sheet masks. I'll get it out of the trash. Here it is. I rate like a 8 out of 10. I haven't told you guys anything about my skincare routine recently or my shampoo, whatever, because I switched shampoos. Nobody asked, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. I used to use the Kristen S, but I've been using this recently. And I honestly, like, I liked the Kristen S, and this is pretty much just the same to me. I've only been using it for a couple weeks, but I haven't seen any kind of difference. These are from Costco, the Kirkland ones, and they're pretty good, you know, get the job done. Every so often I'll use these too. These were sent to me in PR from Bondi Boost and they're also pretty good. I like the conditioner. I use this stuff. This also was sent to me in a PR package and I swear by it. I didn't start using it till recently religiously. It's supposed to be a spot treatment, but I just put it all over my face. It's rosemary and tea tree oil and it works really well for me. I'm also a fan of the Flamingo products. This was another PR thing, but these I've been buying on my own and I've used them for a couple years. And then hair things. Hopefully you're not bored out by now, but this is a leave-in detangling tonic from Odell. And I like it because it has heat protectant in it too, so I don't have to worry about that because it's like a 2-in-1 and then this stuff you guys have heard me talk about plenty of times. I'm gonna eat some chocolate. Okay, I'm downstairs. The plan was to make these cookies, but I'm just gonna save it for tomorrow because it's kind of late and it's like weirdly dark and eerie in my kitchen because my parents are not up late tonight. Usually they stay up pretty late, but they both went to bed already. So I'm like creeped out being down here because there's like no one else down here, which is fine, but I mean, I have Matt, but I don't have anybody else. So I'm just eating a chocolate chip out of here. But I am gonna make these tomorrow, so I'll insert some footage from that because I want to film it. I want you guys to see. I would stay out, but I have cheer in the morning. I'm gonna eat those dark chocolate peanut butter cups I bought in lieu of the cookies. And I'll be back tomorrow to make those and give you guys an outro because I need to go like right to bed within the next 5 minutes. Bye. Hi, it's the next day. I'm home from school and it's time to bake. Allie's here too. This makes us 24 cookies. Reba's excited. Hi guys, I just got back home from babysitting. It's really late because I had to put the kids to bed and then wait for the parents to come back, but I was editing this video after they went to sleep. Anyway, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever you can find me. I also popped like 3 pimples on my forehead, so that was a satisfying time, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you lots. Bye.